What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your hardwood floors like a pro. This cleaning will be good whether you have kids, dogs, cats, whatever you have. This will keep your hardwood floors nice, clean, shiny, pristine, and always ready for company. And the greatest part about this hardwood floor cleaning video is you won't have to bend over and strain your back to do it. This is what you're going to need, some type of spray mop. So your cleaner is going to go in here. This is going to be nothing more than a microfiber mop pad. And then you're going to have your trigger right here. Any spray mop will do. This is O Cedar. So O Cedar right there, that is the brand. You can purchase this at Walmart for like 20 bucks, or I will leave this listed linked down below. So you pop on your pad, and then you just stick it together. It's Velcro. Stick it together right like that. Make sure you get more than one pad if you have a lot of square footage and a lot of hardwood floor to clean. You can buy extra pads at Walmart as well. You need 3 or 4 of these pads because if you continue to clean with the same pad over and over, all you're going to be doing is smearing the dirt all over the floor, and then they're going to look absolutely horrible, which is the opposite of what you're trying to accomplish. So make sure you have a couple of pads and just change them out as they get dirty. You're also going to need some of this stuff right here. This is all natural, no chemicals. That's what's going to go inside of here. This just pops right out. You press this button right here, and it comes right out. If you want to know the size, I don't know if you can read that, but it's 750 milliliters. That's how big this is. And what you'll do is you'll fill this all the way up with warm water from your tap here, and you add 1 teaspoon of this stuff right here. Don't add more than 1 teaspoon, because if you put too much cleaner in your little reservoir, what'll happen is you'll have way too much cleaner on your floor here, and when that happens, then your floors will get sticky, right? Because the cleaner will be left on top. And obviously, think about it, sticky hardwood floors is going to equal dirty hardwood floors. So you want to make sure you always have the proper balance. Once you have your cleaner in here, you take your spray mop, and all you're going to do is always mop with the grain. So pull your trigger, boom, boom, boom. And you're going to mop with the grain. And you're going to go through here, and you're going to do this in your entire house or wherever the high traffic areas are. You might do this daily. You want to do it a minimum of once a week. But you don't have to do the whole house every day. Just do the areas that get a lot of foot traffic. Do that every day. There's no sense in mopping your whole house every single day. That's just going to burn you out, and you're not going to be able to keep up with it. So you see how easy that is? I'm not bending over. I'm not straining my back. You don't have to carry any big buckets of water around. This is very simple, very, very simple. And you just keep an eye out for when the pad gets really dirty. You'll just switch it out and put a fresh pad on. So once again, I can't stress enough, 1 teaspoon of this and no more. You don't want too much cleaner on your floor, or else your floors will get really sticky. And now for the big reveal, you're probably wondering what cleaner that is. Boom, Murphy's Oil. Now this is a big gigantic jug right here because I use this for work, but you can get little hand-sized handheld bottles from the store for your own home. I just do this because I clean houses for a living. What can I say? So that's it, my friends. That is how to clean your hardwood floors. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you liked it, give it a big clean thumbs up. Really helps us out. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.